Question 6. Simplify each of the following. We go to 6a, yeah. 6a will be 16y to the power of 7 divide then y to the power of 4. Okay, how do we solve this? Similarly, like the multiplication, yeah, divide the numbers first, then y, we put it 7 minus 4. Okay, because it's a division. So we will have 1.6y to the power of 3. Okay, so 6b will be negative 3m power 4 and the power of 6 divided by 9m to the power of 3 and n, yeah. So next what we do is we do the division of the number. We have 3 divided by 9 m, so divide is 4 minus 3. Okay, then we have n, so we use 6 minus 1. Okay, so this will be negative 1 over 3. Okay, then we have m, okay, because 4 minus 3 is 1, so we have n to the power of 5. Okay, 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, so there is 6b here. So we move to 6c. Okay, what 6c says, we have negative 6 p to the power of 3 r to the power of 5. Okay, divide by negative 1 over 2 p to the power of 2 r to the power of 3. Okay, so next what we need to do is, so b equals to negative 6 divided by negative 1 over 2. Okay, solve the number first. So we have p 3 minus 2 will be, okay, 1, yeah. Then we have r 5 minus 3. So because it's a division, we have to write it as minus, yeah. Okay, so we have negative 6 divided by negative 1 over 2 will be 12. Yeah, use a calculator, you type in, calculate in, yeah, so you get 12. Then you have p, okay, p to the power of 1, because 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, then we have r to the power of 2. Okay, that's the answer for 6c, yeah, 12p r to the power of 2. So let's move to question 6d. And 6d says 15p to the power of 7 q to the power of 9, then divide by 24 p q to the power of 10. Okay, so how do we solve this? This will be, we will simplify, yeah, 15 divided by 24, we will get 5 over 8, yeah, divided by 3. So we have p 7 minus 1. Okay, okay, then q 9 minus 10, yeah. So what we have from here, we have 5 over 8 p to the power of 6, yeah, and q to the power of negative 1. Okay, so normally we don't write q to the power of negative 1. This is the answer, but we can write it to a better form, yeah. We put q to the bottom side and p remain at the upper side, yeah. So this is because q to minus 1 is equals to 1 over q. Okay, so that's the answer. Let's move to question 6 e, yeah, 6e. So we have 18 a b to the power of 2 c to the power of 9 and divide by 4ab c to the power of 2. How do we simplify this? 18 divided by 4 will be 9 over 2. Okay, so a is similar, so we can cut it off, can cut off a, yeah. we have b to power of 2 minus 1, and we have c 9 minus 2. Okay, so we have 9 over 2, b and c to power of 7. Okay, so this is the question, the answer for 6e. Okay, let's move to the last question for chapter 5, which is question 7. Yeah. Okay, chapter 7, first question. So question 7 is calling you to simplify each of the following. Yeah. So it's a mixed operation of multiplication and division. So let's start with question 6a. Yeah. So we have 6x to power 2, y to power 5 times negative 8xy divided by 24xy to power 3. Okay, this is question 7a. So how do we solve this? Okay, what we do is arrange all the number at one side first. Yeah. So we have 6 times negative 8, yeah, divided by 24, and then we write in the variable x to power of 2 times 2 plus 1 because times x, yeah, so then minus 1 because we divide by x at bottom side. Okay, so then y we have 5 plus 1, yeah, because times, and minus 3 because divide. Okay, so that's how we write this here. So then we have to solve this. Cut 6 to 1 and 4. This is 1, then we have 2. So we have negative 2 as the number, and x to power of 2, yeah, and y to power of, so y to power of 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, so this is answer for 7a. Move to 7b. Okay, 7b, yeah. 7b we have 10k to power of 2, m to power of 6, and 2k to power of 3, m times 7km. So how we solve this? Okay, arrange the number first, yeah, at one side. So we have 10 divided by 2 times 7, yeah, at the bottom side. So k will be 2 minus 3 and minus 1. Okay, because both are divided, yeah, divided by k to the power 3 and k to the power 1, yeah. So then we have m6 minus 1 minus 1. So this will be, we cross out 10, it will be 5 divided by 2, yeah. So we come 5 over 7, k to power of negative 2 and m to power of 4. So as I explained just now, yeah, we don't put k to power of negative normally. So just shift this to the bottom side, it become k 1 over k to power of 2, yeah. So the answer will be equals to, okay, 5 m to power of 4 and 7 k to power of 2. Okay, we shift the k to the bottom side. Okay, so this is the answer, yeah. So we move to question 7c. Okay, 7c stated that the question says that a to the power of 6 b c divided by negative 7 a b to the power of 5, yeah, times negative 4 b c to the power of 2. So question, we divide it, yeah, the numbers first. 1 divided by 7, okay, times negative 4. So we have then we multiply the variables, yeah. So will be, so what we do is we write down the, we solve the, so what we do is we solve the number first, yeah. 1 by divided by negative 7 divided by times negative 4, yeah. So then we multiply the variable a 6, since it's divide, so it will be minus 1, okay, and the other one will be, there's no more a, yeah, so it's 6 minus 1. So then we have b to 1 minus 5 plus 1, okay, because it's multiplied, and we have c to 1 plus 2, yeah. Okay, so this will be simplified as 4 over 7 for the number a to the power of 5 and b to the power of negative 5, yeah. Sorry, b to the power of negative 3 and c to the power of 3, yeah. So as I explained just now, yeah, we do not want the negative to be the upper side. Better way to write it is we put b to the power of 3 at the bottom, yeah. So the answer will be 4 over 7, a to the power of 5, c to the power of 3 towards divide by b to the power of 3, yeah. So this is the answer for 7c. Okay, we move to the next question. Okay, 7t, yeah. So we have, write down the question, negative 6ef to the power of 5 times 3fg to the power of 3 divided by 12eg. Okay, so how do we solve this? Solve the number first, yeah, negative 6 times 3 divided by 12. So we have e power of 1 divided by e, so 1 minus 1 will be 0, okay. So it will be e to the power of 0, yeah. Is actually 1, yeah, with e to the power of 0, because e divided by e is cut off, yeah. So we have f to the power of 5 plus 1, yeah, because we multiply. Okay, then we have g, okay, to the power of 3 minus 1 because it's divide, yeah. Okay, then what we do next is we solve the numbers. So we have 3, we cut off, divide by 3, then this one divide by 4, and then we divide by 2, yeah, we will get 3 over 2. So then we have negative 3 over 2. Then e to the power of 0 will be 1, okay, just ignore it. Then we put it f to the power of 6 and g to the power of 2. So this is the answer for 7d, yeah. Okay, and finally we move to the last question, which is 7e. Okay, write down the equation, 1 over 3 a to the power of 3 and b to the power of 4 divided by a b to the power of 2 multiplied by negative 6 a to the power of 2 and b, okay. Okay, so we will have solve the numbers, yeah, 1 over 3, so times negative 6 at the top portion, yeah. Then we have a to the power of 3 minus 1 plus 2, okay. So then we have b to the power 4 minus 2 plus 1. Okay, so simplifying this, we will get divided by 2, we have minus 2, yeah. So then we have a to the power of 5 minus 1 will be 4. Okay, and we have b to the power of 2 plus 1 will be 3, yeah, b to the power of 3. So that's all for, this is the answer, yeah, negative 2a, b to the power of 3. So let me show you another way on how different approach can be used, yeah. So we have 7e. Okay, instead of writing it as such, we try to cut off the variables, yeah. So make it longer. So we have a to the power of 3 and b to the power of 4 times, okay, a to the power of 2 and b. So we have the bottom side will be divide, okay, divide by a, b to the power of 2. So we have times here. Okay, so what we do next is, so we cut off the value that similarly for a, yeah. So bottom and the top, when we cut is 2 minus 1, we have 1. So b will be cut off, we have 2, yeah, b power of 2, we cut it off. So no, there's no more equation to simplify further at the bottom side, yeah. So we can write it down as a 3 plus 1, yeah, 4, and we have b 2 plus 1, we will have 3. Okay, so divide by, okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, we'll have negative 2a to the power 4, b to the power 3. Okay, that's all for the mastery practice 5 on 2. Thanks for your time, yeah.